Welcome to this channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through a simple yet practical piggery plan designed specifically for 3 adult pigs and weaner pigs. Whether you're starting small or expanding your pig farm, this structure gives you a clear, functional, and cost-effective layout. Link to the PDF of this plan was pinned in the description and comment section, but it had downloading issues, so this video has been re-uploaded for you to be able to download it this time. Pinned in description and comment section. But hey, let me explain for a better understanding and usage. Better still, if you want different design, measurement, or specific features of the plan, contact me through my email also in the comment section. Stick around to the end to see the full layout, dimensions, and tips on how to construct it efficiently using local materials. Raising pigs successfully starts with proper planning, and the pig house is at the heart of it. This design ensures separation of adult pigs and weaners, good hygiene and drainage, ease of feeding and cleaning, space efficiency on a small farm. Now, let's break it down from the top, starting with the ground plan. The ground plan is clean and straightforward. The total floor space is divided into 5 pens, with a central passage running through the middle. Here's how the space is allocated. Adult pen 1, 5 feet wide by 6 feet long. Adult pen 2, 5 feet by 6 feet long. Adult pen 3, 5 feet by 6 feet long. Weaner pen 1, 4 feet wide by 9 feet long. Weaner pen 2, 4 feet wide by 9 feet long. Central passage runs between the adult and weaner sections. All pens are built with solid block walls to prevent fighting and ensure safety, especially with adult boars or sows. The central passage allows easy movement for feeding, cleaning, and monitoring without entering each pen directly. Now, let's look at the individual functions of each pen. Adult pens 1, 2, and 3. These are designed for mature pigs, boars, sows, or fatteners. The sizes vary slightly, allowing flexibility depending on the pig size or use. Each pen includes a feeding trough, well placed near the door for easy refilling. Weaner pens 1 and 2. These are slightly longer pens to accommodate younger pigs, weaners. The extra length helps reduce stress, allow play, and give space for multiple small pigs to grow safely. These pens also have their own feeding and watering areas, marked clearly with blue rectangles on the plan. This structure is meant to be affordable and durable, using materials that are easy to source. Walls, made with block walls up to 4 feet high to keep pigs in and give structural strength. Upper section. The upper wall uses wire mesh for ventilation and natural lighting. Proper airflow is key for disease prevention, especially in tropical areas. Roof. A pitched roof with overhang provides protection from rain and sun, ensuring comfort for the pigs all year round. Flooring. Concrete flooring with a gentle slope for drainage is essential. Add a small gutter behind the pens to collect waste and keep the pens dry. Doors. Each pen has an accessible swing door, made of wood or metal, to let you in when needed. They open into the central passage for ease of use. One of the strongest advantages of this design is ease of cleaning. Thanks to the puri, central passage, you can feed and observe without stepping into the pens daily. Smooth floors and proper slopes help in quick washing and waste disposal. Separated pens reduce disease spread between adult pigs and young piglets. You can also install nipple drinkers or plastic bowls in each pen. and place the trough at the corner near the wire mesh for easy access and refilling from outside. From the right side view, we see the full length of the structure. It's simple, rectangular, and elevated slightly above ground level to prevent flooding. From the front view, you'll notice a double-door entrance leading into the central passage. This allows wheelbarrow or bucket access during major cleanouts or construction. The pitched roof is not just aesthetic, it supports rainwater runoff, and you can even harvest rainwater using gutters into a small tank. Let's summarize the key dimensions for your convenience. Adult pen 1, 5 feet by 6 feet. Adult pen 2, 5 feet by 6 feet. Adult pen 3, 5 feet by 6 feet. Weaner pen 1, 4 feet by 9 feet. Weaner pen 2, 4 feet by 9 feet. Passage 3.5 feet wide. The overall structure is compact but smart, ideal for a backyard farm or a small commercial unit. Here's a quick note on scaling and costs. Start with local cement blocks, sand, and roofing sheets. This keeps costs manageable. You can expand sideways in the future, simply duplicating the pen units and keeping the same central passage format. If space is tight, you can reduce pen lengths slightly without compromising pig comfort. And don't forget to use treated wood or metal to prevent termite damage. Install basic water flow or pipe systems to make cleaning easier. This pig house design is more than just lines on paper. It's a foundation for better pig health, easier management, and faster growth on your farm. Whether you're just starting or already have experience, a clean and efficient layout like this gives you the control you need to raise healthy pigs with less stress. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more practical farming guides, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy farming!